Are you seeing Netflix -121 error on your Android TV? This usually happens because of outdated Android TV software, wrong date and time settings, or network verification issues. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's begin. Solution 1. Update your Android TV system software. Go to your TV home menu with the home button of your remote. Navigate to the settings icon. Click on it. Scroll down to device preferences. Then go to about. From here, click on system update. If you have any updates, you can check from here and update your TV. Updating your TV makes sure you get to access all the latest app versions, including Netflix. Solution 2. Set automatic date and time. So, the biggest reason of this problem is sometimes the configuration glitch your TV faces when the device date and time is not accurate. To fix it, you can go to your home menu, navigate to the gear icon in the top corner using your remote, then open it. Now scroll down to device preferences. From here, open date and time. Open automatic date and time and now select the use network provided time option. See if this fixes the issue or not. If the error still hasn't gone away, it's likely that your TV is actually very old and doesn't have the latest firmware to access Netflix. In that case, you should look for other alternatives. You can buy a Google Chromecast or a Xiaomi Fire Stick device in this case. These devices give your old TV access to the latest apps and updates without needing a new TV. And that's basically it for today's tutorial. If this guide helped, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Android TV and Google TV tips and fixes. Thanks a lot for watching.